of India, and this was made possible because of the relentless efforts and dedication of 380 VOs working on field who have been guided by 90 plus managers and being supported and backed by the entire HO team, which starts from our SBU head Nanda Juvatkar ma'am, our division head Rana Bose sir, entire medical team Dr. Nimita Pinto and Dr. Samir Muchala sir, along with the entire marketing team and the admin team, who has ensured that we focus towards our objective and ensure a smooth execution of plans. This was not been possible because of the support being provided by all the HODs of hospitals and nursing departments. They were equally enthusiastic and energetic in focusing towards this social cause. Because of their support, we were able to massify or maximize in reaching out to almost 6,600 plus nurses. Thus, today we salute these unsung heroes as we embark on a mission to prevent thrombophlebitis and provide the best possible care to these patients. I am very much delighted and thankful to each and every team member sitting over here of Zydus who is helping us in reaching towards this wonderful destination and journey. This entire success for these unsung heroes is focused on 3 E's, which has made this possible. We have been engaging, empowering, and the overall sense of enthusiasm which has made this entire campaign successful. So thank you everyone for being here. Now I request Ms. Purna Parekh to please take forward this entire event. Thank you everyone.
It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you today to acknowledge a momentous achievement. Today I have the pleasure of announcing the result of record-breaking achievement, which is titled as Maximum Nurses Pledge to Prevent Thrombophlebitis under the auspices of Asia and India Book of Records. Now, little bit about India Book of Records. India Book of Records is committed to record making since more than 18 years as on today's date. It is registered with the Government of India. IBR is affiliated to Asia Book of Records and follows Asian Protocol of Records, which are APRs, as per consensus arrived at meeting of Chief Editors of National Record Books, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Now, little bit about Asia Book of Records. It's a platform where record holders of all major national Book of Records, including India Book of Records, then Vietnam Book of Records, then Indo-China Book of Records, Laos Book of Records, then Nepal Book of Records, they meet to compare, compete and claim the title of Asia Book of Record holders. Today, Asia Book of Records holds strong database of 40,000 entries. Now it's time to announce the record for India Book of Records. Maximum nurses pledge to prevent thrombophlebitis. The record for taking a pledge to prevent thrombophlebitis by nurses was set by Zydus Healthcare, Mumbai, Maharashtra. The unsung heroes of campaign was conducted nationwide from July 14, 23 to September 14, 23 to raise awareness of the thrombophlebitis. Also, it has a separate portal called the Unsung Heroes Nurses.com. It would have been displayed here somewhere. During this period, 6,635 nurses took oath to prioritize patient safety first and proactively work to prevent thrombophlebitis as confirmed on September 18, 2023. So that is about India Book of Records. Now, one level above, they have gone to Asia Book of Records also. And yeah, please. Now, record remains the same. Maximum nurses pledge to prevent thrombophlebitis. Zydus Healthcare, Maharashtra, India set a record for maximum nurses pledge to prevent thrombophlebitis. The Unsung Heroes campaign was conducted nationwide from same period, July 14 to September 14 this year, to raise awareness about the same. Also, they have a separate portal as I said earlier, the Unsung Heroes. And again, record remains same, like 6,635 nurses took oath to prioritize the patient safety. So now I would like to congratulate Zydus and for achieving groundbreaking milestone in the healthcare industry. I would also like to express my appreciation to Harish Sadana, who's an MD.
Yes, our MD sir, he has sent his regards.
Then Rana Bose, Division Head. Nanda Juvatkar, SBU Head. Then Vikrant Desai, Marketing Manager, for their commendable contribution for setting the new benchmark. Their invaluable support has contributed to the success of this event. It is truly remarkable to see the response of the nurses across the country for this venture. Now, Zydus Healthcare has set a shining example for others to emulate. In addition to this, special mention to Asta and CIMS Medica India Limited for their exceptional coordination with the Asia and India Book of Records. Thank you very much. Now it is the time to
Award
give
ceremony.
Yes.
Yes.
Before that, what I came to know is this is the second quarter.
Yes.
First quarter, you guys have already made a record, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we have done it.
Yes.
Zydus Leva has made a record.
Yes. So this is second quarter.
This is the second award.
Award. So probably there are 2 more quarters are there, right? Now think of it. Thank you. So, sorry.
Yes, we will begin the award ceremony.
The full rights to do the things and encouraging the entire marketing team and the field team to this activity, and finally we could get ourselves registered for the Asia Book of Records and the India Book of Records. It's a great privilege for us that we work on the particular this journey of thrombophlebitis where nurses play a pivotal role, that while doing the IV cannulation, this is something which can happen, but it can be also treated and can be taken care of. I think this not only speaks about the noble mission about the thrombophlebitis as a disease or as a concern, but also Zydus initiative to get into this whole act of it and how we actually try to help in the whole event. So my sincere thanks again to the agency partners and our basically SIMS Medica for pioneering the whole event and helping us to organize the things. Special thanks to Asta Singh, Mr. Anagraha, Mr. Tanmay and Mr. Abhishek. And my sincere thanks to our entire Zydus internal team, admin team, purchase department, finance, DTX team for ensuring the smooth execution of the process. And my sincere congratulations to Vikrant and his entire marketing team for actually putting this whole idea in place and getting it exhibited relentlessly through the entire POs and our field team. So thank you again. Before we conclude, I'd like to extend my heartfelt thanks again for all the special guests who actually took out your time from the busy schedule and came over here and being a witness and be in presence to this whole event. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Records they made, but so far till date they have made 30 records. 30. Thank you. बेसिकली मैसेज तो हमारे साइड से यही है कि ये लोग 30 रिकॉर्ड बनाए तो उसको ऊपर 0 कैसे डाले वो देखना है उनको. एंड दे आर डूइंग वेरी गुड वर्क, लाइक हेल्पिंग पेशेंट्स. अवेयरनेस बढ़ा रहे वो लोग, एंड दे आर फाइंडिंग न्यू एरियाज. लाइक लास्ट टाइम हाइपरटेंशन के ऊपर भी उन्होंने किया था, प्लस स्किन डिसीज़ के ऊपर भी किया था. तो दे आर finding more and more areas where they can help the society. Okay, that is what I have seen this.
आप कैसे चयन करते हैं कि इनको अवार्ड देना चाहिए? इतने लोग